Hello, friends. Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. I'll give you all the hot and trending news from Bollywood world today. So do subscribe our channel for regular Bollywood news and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Ranveer Singh is finally back on the sets. Ranveer Singh is without a doubt one of the biggest stars of this generation. He has done several hit films and his energetic personality just makes him a favorite among the audience. Ranveer has a pleasant persona and everyone who meets him falls under his charm. Today he snapped as he stepped out to shoot for the first time post the lockdown phase. Kiara Advani's terror Indu Ki Jawani to be the first Hindi film to release in cinemas. Since almost 6 months, the cinema halls have been shut as the coronavirus pandemic spread rapidly all over the world. As a result, there has been no new release since mid-March, with producers of many film and small, mid-sized and even big-budget flicks deciding to instead take to the OTT route. However, there are also a section of producers who have decided to wait until normalcy resumes and cinema halls are open for business. In the midst, the makers of Indu Ki Jawani, starring Kiara Advani, have taken a revolutionary decision. They have decided to release this rom-com in cinemas, that too as early as next month. Nick Jonas is Priyanka Chopra's forever guy. Indian actress Priyanka Chopra Jonas has posted a picture with her husband and pop star Nick Jonas and said she was so grateful to have him. Priyanka took to Instagram to share the picture. In the photo, Priyanka is seen leaning towards Nick and holding his hand. She captioned the image, "My forever guy, so grateful for you," at Nick Jonas. Tiger Shroff charging 30 crores for Vikas Bahl's sports drama. Tiger Shroff is one of the most promising and talented young actors of the Bollywood industry right now. He has done some incredible work in the industry, including films like War, Heropanti and the Baghi series. The young actor will be next seen in Heropanti 2, which will be produced by Sajid Nadiadwala, and they have officially announced the same. According to a source close to the entertainment portal, Tiger Shroff will be next seen in Vikas Bahl's sports drama produced by Jackie Vaghani's Pooja Entertainment. That's not what stole the limelight, but the fees being offered to the war actor. The source revealed that he is being offered 30 crores for the sports drama. John Abraham has the perfect reply to the insider versus outsider debate. Ever since Sushant Singh Rajput's death, the social media has gone brisk with the insider versus the outsider debate. Netizens and a few celebrities feel that while insiders get an easy access to the industry, the outsiders have to struggle to even get a foothold in. While star kids have generally kept quiet, the outsiders who have made it big in the industry have spoken about the debate and given it the ring perspective. Recently, John Abraham spoke to a portal about his views in this debate. Speaking about it, the hunky actor said, "I don't subscribe to such terms. This is your Twitter trending culture. I believe every individual, be it an insider or outsider, his or her has own battles to fight. Whether you are gracious about it or bitter, it's your decision, but you have to fight this battle. Every person has to prove a point. Either you complain about it or put your head down and bloody do your job. I am clear I have come here to do my job and I will do it well." Tahira Kashyap's birthday post for Ayushmann Khurrana is all things of love and sweet. Ayushmann Khurrana celebrates his birthday today. The actor is in Chandigarh with his family, prepping for Abhishek Kapoor's next film, where he plays a CrossFit athlete. The actor may not be in the mood to jungle himself on his birthday, as he has to get the perfect body for the role, but his family is doing its best to make his birthday memorable for him. Ayushman's wife Tahira took to Instagram to share a sweet birthday message for the actor. She also gave us a glimpse of how she brought in her husband's special day. Riya Chakraborty used mother's mobile phone to chat about drugs, says the report. As we speak, Riya Chakraborty is under 14-day judicial custody after the ANCB arrested her in the drugs case in the death probe of Sushant Singh Rajput. Although her lawyer applied for bail plea at the Sessions Court on Friday, however, it got rejected. Now, while Shavik Chakraborty, Samuel Miranda, Deepesh Sawant, and other drug pleaders who named Shavik in the case are under arrest, as per reports, it is being said that Riya Chakraborty was using her mother's number to chat about drugs. Alia Bhatt nails her no makeup look as she visits Sanjay Leela Bhansali's office. Ever since there has been a relief in the COVID-19 lockdown in Maharashtra, the entertainment industry is getting back in action gradually and our celebs are resuming the shooting. Amid this, Alia Bhatt is also getting her life back on track and is looking forward to resuming work. While the actress was recently snapped while exciting Karan Johar's office, this time the Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania actress was spotted outside filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali's office as she made her way towards her car. Gauri Khan's debut book, tentatively titled My Life in Design. The pandemic included pause in our lives has made many of us desire a revelation of the physical spaces around us, bringing some much needed inspiration to create new energies for our home life. Gauri Khan, Indian film producer and interior designer, is coming out with her first book about their journey as a designer and her design philosophy. Tentatively titled My Life in Design, it will be published by Penguin under the Eburi Press and is set to be released in 2021. I hope I can learn from my mistakes and continue to inspire, said Amit Saad. Actor Amit Saad, who began his acting career with Star Plus teen drama Kyun Hota Hai Pyar, recently began shooting for his upcoming digital project Jid. The web series, which will stream in ZEE5, is said to be an actor-packed war series. In his latest media post, he said that he hopes to learn from his mistakes and continue to inspire people. Friends, this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like the video and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe for regular updates and click the bell icon. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay safe and be healthy.